Sorry if I keep pausing on you. You know, this camera keeps on, becoming a nuisance. But as I said in the last video, guys, if you're ever, if Johnny Petrow is your host for this lesson on bridge painting, you want to change up your T-squares every couple of times because they can get to the point where they get very dirty with paint, and they just don't seem to keep you well rounded with acting so much as a straight edge as well as a tool that keeps your painting straight. Now, if you want to paint straight, you gotta have an extra good eye for things. Catch your mistakes as you go, but please remember you're in control of your art that you do. I mean, you're working on a canvas, so can be expensive, but they're very, very good to work with because they're thick and they're good time money. Oh, and always keep this handy. You never know when you're going to need a napkin to clear off your T-square. In fact, let's do that right now. Let's, now where did it get all messy? Right here? Yeah. And then just take your canvas right here where it's a little bit more straight. And now you can continue on to painting your ropes, your wider ropes. Take that out of the water if you can. You want to just use up your black paint. Make sure it's all nice and you don't want it to be gooey, but you want it to be really thick. When you put it on your palette, you gotta kind of tap it a little bit. Yeah, I'm checking my camera right here. Okay. Now, let's go back and let's do this correctly. Remember, you're counting on your painting to be extremely straight and proportional here. Yeah, you're in control. You don't want painting or whatnot to control you. Okay, here we go. Let's hope that this is a good rope, and just draw your straight line down. You can always wipe that out when you can. Go into your black can. Keep your eye on all the straight parts of the work that you do. Now after I get, a little bit further into this, like as I am, I'm going to pause a minute and I'm going to show you what I've been doing. Set our T-square down, get up on the chair. Now I'm just going to zoom in to the places that I have drawn on here. See that bridge? I'm going to view it closely, and if it gets blurry, I'll zoom back out. And look at that, see? Is that what bridges are supposed to be? And now this is a George Washington bridge, so if you're ever wanting to know what it is, that's that. You may want to Google is your buddy. You want to Google stuff every time you look at it on the site. And now I have a book on bridges too, in case you guys want to know. Okay, last but not least, the final rope that we're going to paint on is this. And hopefully our camera doesn't go out by the time we do this. And look at that. Now that is perfectly straight. Well, actually, no, that is not perfectly straight. Because it gets wet on there. So we're going to change up our T-squares again. And you want this to be the thickest and the most straightest line you could ever imagine. Okay, and look at that. Now, you guys know what I mean about straight, right? Isn't that straight? I agree with you. Because it is. Touch and just pull down. Take it off, and you gotta reveal it. Now we're just gonna thicken it up a little bit and right here. You gotta stay in between the lines all the time. Very important rule about being, the artist you want to be. And when you know what you're doing, you won't make many mistakes, as you think you will. Bridges are a good way of developing draftsmanship with your craftsmanship. As everybody would say in a rhyme like that. Well, let me tell you something, guys. Look at that. See the actual... Now we have a complete looking bridge. Look at that. Hey. Now I taught you something today about bridges. Now they have like George Washington is a little similar to the Golden Gate Bridge. Probably because it has that arch in it that goes around town. But anyway, I hope this tutorial of mine taught you something about bridge painting. And from all of us here, I'd like to wish you, good luck with your paintings. And I hope to see you next time. But please remember that if you get the right type of supplies, you'll go places with your work in no time. Yeah. Always, practice makes it so perfect, it's incredible. Look at that bridge. Okay, that's my studio, and this is the time to turn our camera off. See you next time. My hand here is waving at you. Bye! Bye, everybody.